When you ran the Windows Player app after installation, you got a message that you had no administrative rights to configure the auto login. Normally, with Windows computers, you have to press CTRL ALT DELETE and log on with a valid username and password. For digital signage, you probably don't want to visit each screen and log on automatically after a system update or power failure. For that reason is the auto login option. It logs on automatically with the username and password that you have set. Right-click the Player app and choose to Run as Administrator. The player starts and the intro video is played. Move your mouse for 2 seconds to bring up extra controls on your screen. Click now the Auto Logon button. Enter the username and password to log on to the computer. Save this by clicking the Set Auto Logon button. Your computer is now set to log on automatically next time it boots.